we emphasize learning by building real things. And not only that, but when we combine that with our career management services, which is basically the second half to give you everything that you need to know in order to get your foot in the door, like resume building, LinkedIn and online personal branding, salary negotiation, technical interview training. All of these things together make it very easy for you to get your foot in the door within the industry.
Let me tell you, I had no background in IT. I knew nothing about computers, networking, coding, and any of that. And so this was a total rediscovery of myself. I found out that IT was fun, thanks to Clarusway, which has totally changed my whole perspective about this field.
We deploy really innovative learning models, including live online classes that happen every day, mentorship programs where you can get access to professionals within the industry to answer your questions at any time of night or day. And this really serves as the fast track to getting you from zero to learning the practical skill sets that are required to get your foot in the door in this industry. Not theoretical garbage, but real important practical education to get your foot in the door. And we use really innovative tools like Flipgrid and Slack and Kahoot to make learning much more fun and engaging and practical.
Clarusway is not only interested in the lessons, also helps person to be strong, self-confident, workshops, lectures, given assignments, very good planned and organized. So I can say go from zero to hero with Clarusway.
Over 92% of our graduates are placed within top companies within 4 months of graduation. So if you're interested in going from 0 to 60, so to speak, and getting your foot in the door in the career, or you're already a professional and you're looking to advance your technical skill set to really take your career to the next level, we're here for you.